Hello friends, hope all of you best. Let's go journey with some fever remedies. My first fever remedy today is Arsenicum album. This remedy is only applicable for intermittent type of fever. There is strong periodicity is always present and patient suffers only for anxiety and restlessness. This keynote is always present. Restlessness, that is mentally restless, physically weak, and anxiety is related to fear of death, fear of disease, and this anxiety always due to insecurity. So patient demands company, patient demands physician, medicine, money all around him. But after getting this, he never satisfies his insecurity. After getting this, he never get calmness. So patient demands reassurance from around everything around him, because patient suffers in mistrustful behavior. Mistrustful behavior they are always present, and mistrustful behavior related to insecurity, insecurity related to anxiety. Mistrustful, there is the basic point of anxiety in Arsenicum album patient. With mistrustful, there is heat sensation much and burning sensation present, thirst for sips only. Chilly patient, Arsenicum is chilly patient, midday midnight aggravation, strong keynote, and asthmatic problem there may be present. After arsenic, I go to another fever remedy with fear, also fear there. This is aconite. Aconite patient, chilly patient, and but they uncover, likes uncover, and remittent type of fever is always present. Here patient also suffers anxiety and restlessness, but this anxiety related to fear of disease, fear of death, but here patient also demands company, also demands doctor. But any person of his family, any person of company, if gives him some assurance from recovery, then patient gets calmness. Assurance get aconite patient calmness, and after getting reassurance, arsenic patient never get calmness. This basic difference of anxiety of arsenic and aconite. Aconite patient thirst too much, tongue strawberry like tongue, taste bitter, and this medicine is only applicable for first stage of inflammation. Next medicine I go, another fever medicine but fear related, that is oscillococcinum. This medicine is first stage of fever applicable, but here fear related to infection, fear related to disease, fear related to contagious, fear related to epidemic. So patient always demands some washing habit, some cleaning habit. Next I go to medicine that is Baptisia. Here typhoid like fever patient and besotted continence, drunken like appearance, this is prosthetic remedy, and here toxic feature present, soreness, body ache present, but there is perfect indifference. If doctor asks something to patient reacts the question, but in the middle of his answer, patient falls asleep. That is perfect indifferent present. And offensiveness discharge, everything discharge there is offensiveness. Next we come another and last remedy for today, that is Arnica montana. In Arnica montana we get mixture of arsenic and baptisia, but they are absent of perfect indifference. Soreness, offensiveness of baptisia they are present, and restlessness, anxiety of arsenic they are present, but perfect indifference absent. For that, if doctor asks something to patient completely reacts, completely answers, and after giving answers, patient falls asleep. This medicine is influenza type of fever mainly here, and partial coldness present, that is hot head, cold foot, and dysentery like stool here present, canine hunger here. Okay, this is too much for today. Stay with us, reply your comments. Okay, thank you.